Alright, YouTube. Went to the drag strip. Came back home. And the car was running rough. Real rough. To the point. Well, it didn't want to. I mean, it was just hesitating. Yeah, it was just hesitating a lot. So what I did was change some spark plugs. Maybe that'll solve the problem. Let me show y'all what the spark plugs look like right now. Yeah, that's what the spark plug look like. I don't know if it's bad or not, man. After they get in there, yeah, real bad. It's all black and gushy. I got all of them off on the driver's side. Now I'm finna work on the passenger side. Yeah. So this is what's going on right now. This all of these right here. I don't know, man. So somebody drop in the comment section and let me know if these really need to be changed or not. I mean, I just put a new carburetor on there. It shouldn't be running like that. I mean, when I was driving, I heard a little backfiring on in the tailpipe. So I just got all new spark plugs, man. Hold on, I'm missing one. Let me see. Oh, okay, they all in there. Yeah, they all in there. Might as well grease these on up. Grease those up. Where's my grease at? Where's my grease? Where's my grease? Found it. Anti-seize. So I'm gonna put some of this on each end. Can y'all see that? And just rub it around. Rub it around on there. Rub it around. Treat it. Rub it. Smack it up, flip it, rub it down. Yep. Pop another one. Make sure I'm in the camera. Last one. All right, now we gotta put some grease connector on it. Grease it up. Put a little grease on that one. Put a little grease on this one. Grease on that one. Put a little grease on this one. Man, by the way, I went to the track in Byron, Illinois. I didn't know it was so loud, man, at a drag strip. I mean, I swear, my son, his eardrums almost was busted from being so close to the cars. I didn't know it was gonna be that loud, man, with that burning rubber and all that crap. Man, I swear the concrete was vibrating, literally vibrating. For real, for real. But I'm finna get back to this. Let me pull these spark plugs. Which one is this one? I gotta use a 5/8. 5/8. So let's go over here. Let me go over here. See if I can get that steady. See if y'all can see what I'm seeing. Alright. Dang, man, I don't know why I ain't changed these spark plugs. When I did the engine, when I did the engine gaskets, I don't know what the hell I was thinking about, man. This shit's supposed to have been done. There we go. That's easy. That one was easy. Popped out pretty good. Can y'all see me? Look at that, man. Look how dirty that is. That's probably why it ain't acting right, man. Straight up. Had my bad boy stalling on me, man. I can't be having that. They admired the car. Couldn't put it on the drag strip like that. Maybe we'll see some more power after I put these new spark plugs in here, you guys. One at a time. One at a time. Do it one at a time, y'all. I'm camera shy, by the way. I ain't looking too hot, man. I gotta show y'all what's really going on. I get used to showing my face in a place, but I need some subscribers, you guys. Man, y'all got to share and like straight up. I'm trying to do some nice things. Trying to build my channel up. I don't have much content, but now we tightening it up. This side is much easier. Man, that was easy.